That is for sure. Screen share. Okay. Okay, so I haven't got very far, but I made a summary sheet
Okay.
and moved that to the front. And then it says that we need to have an input cell for the supplier here. And that's as far as I got.
Okay.
To see how many items are provided by that chosen supplier. So
So that means that we are going to basically take the various suppliers and figure out the items that is supplied and their average.
also should. Oh boy. Okay. Okay.
So just what I just read right now, it seems that we have on the original data sheet, we have to get various inventory supplied either by rail, air, or truck. Then after that, you have to also find the items supplied, right?
Okay. Find the item. Okay, so that's B. I'm still stuck on A. um, so do you use a if statement for each of the names? Make a column with an if. I don't even know what. I don't know how to do that. I don't know what we're doing to make this happen.
Yeah.
Enter one of the slide names into the principal.
So I was trying to, if then we are going to use the if statement. Okay, so can you go back to the summary sheet? Let's see again. Okay. So with a supplier, can you maybe write maybe one of the suppliers' name over there? Which one started? Is it Tita or Afajin? Okay, yeah. The power, yeah. So then let's go back to the original sheet. I think before we have to get out, maybe we have to create create another column after the uh, other lead times, and maybe make that one the current inventory. The inventory, yeah.
Current inventory?
Inventory.
Oh,
And next to that one, maybe you can make it the item supplied.
item supplied?
Yes. Okay, let's see we can. So starting under the inventory, can you start with the if statement, and let's see. Yeah. If summary, so you go back to the summary sheet to pick the theta power, the one that you just.
The supplier.
Yes. Okay. So you anchor it and comma.
Doesn't need to equal something?
No, it's just okay, equal
To here? Oh, there.
the original data. So we go back to the original data. Then you click on the first supplier, the theta power. I hope it works.
And then if it's true, it's 1. If nothing, then open quotations.
So with this one, let's do comma, then let's pick the original data for the material cost. That is the E5.
Oh, okay. Well, we need one for how many items are provided. So I think we'll need to do this a few times.
Yeah, so I want us to see if we can drag that one down to see if we can be able to, if we drag, okay, you put the cursor on that cell. Let's see. Okay, so delete the one.
Okay, I'm counting the number of items they have though.
Okay.
I might need to change my heading up there. So then you can just sum those up in the next. So let's see if we go number of items equals. You could probably use a count function too if you wanted to. If you had your numbers in there like you were doing. So that would probably work too. I forgot how to select it all easily. Okay. So if we change this to something else, it should. The beta mount. It does. Hey, there we go.
Yeah.
Okay. Did one. Okay, so average cost of the material cost. Material cost. Only the items. So do we need to have a column that shows the material cost? This shows this number if this is true. Is that what it's? I have no idea. Okay.
That is what I was trying to, as I'm reading the instruction that you show on the board, I was trying to figure it out. And So I think what we need to show the original
That's not right.
so what they want us to do for the inventory side over there, basically they wanted to see if we change um, if we change the supplier from the summary dashboard, the cost, the material cost should appear under the inventory rather, instead of recounting the numbers. So did you understand what I just?
I'm not sure.
Okay, so let's go back to the inventory. Another.
On the summary?
No, on the original sheet.
Okay.
Okay, good. Yeah, exactly.
So I used another if statement very similar to what we did here. And
Yes.
just put if yes, then the answer is the material cost. And if no,
Yes.
then nothing.
Yes.
And it changes when you change the supplier
Yes.
here. So and then would this just be what formula do you use for standard deviation? That one? And I can remember.
The standard deviation is, yeah, that one. Yeah.
.s?
Yeah, .s.
And what's my list there? Okay, let me know if you get the same.
I'm
For
here to work on the final assignment before I can be able to access the mini project. That's why.
you haven't finished that assignment. Okay.
Yes.
Oh, are you just looking at mine then? Oh, that's got to be really hard. Okay.
Okay.
Sorry. That's got to be really boring too.
No, it's not boring. As I just look at the data that you show on the screen, I just screenshot from my end, and I was reading the instructions just to follow what it's saying.
Gotcha. Okay. So I think we've got A all done. For all items, nobody so have 4 cells on the summary sheet, each one with a label. 4 shipping methods. Okay.
Yes. So that means that we are supposed to also find the same count for the number of items that are shipped by each shipping method. So either by air, rail, truck, or the optional.
Clean that up later because I'm not exactly sure what we need to do here. Okay. So we've got count if I think there's let's see if this is let's name this. Okay. Oops. No. What are we doing? Oh, we're making it a function. Okay.
So let me see.
I'm going to name this so it's easier.
Okay.
Okay.
See, okay. Okay, you do it. Let's see.
Okay. I don't they haven't taught us this one yet, but I know there's a okay, so if we go what would you just name that? Shipping. And then the criteria would be if it is that, right? Let's see if that works.
Yeah.
Seems like it may have worked. So it counts how many of those, let's see, is that what we needed? How many items are shipped with each respective method? I think we just did it. I think so. So we use the count if function. We have our range, and if it equals, yeah. I think that worked.
Yes.
Okay, so we got that one pretty easy.
Yes.
Make a box around it or something. Something like that. Actually, let's do the box here. Okay. In 4 additional cells on some sheet can average lead time.
So, but remember, you have to, after finishing, you have to apply professionalism to the summary sheet.
Apply what? Summary sheet?
The professionalism to the summary sheet.
Yes.
So that you have to turn off the grid line.
Yeah.
After everything. Yeah.
I would say I think I'll do that at the very end.
Yes.
I was just watching through those videos again because I didn't really pick up everything the first time through. So yeah, we need to turn off grid lines and change the colors of all the graphs and things. And make sure the input is yellow or some color. Okay, so figuring out the average lead time for all items that are shipped with each respective method. Do we need to make another? That's going to be here. Okay, lead times. Do I need to do a column for each of the types of shipping methods? So like,
yeah,
like
no,
no,
I don't think so.
okay.
Yeah.
I'm trying to figure out a way to do that without making new columns.
Yeah.
So maybe here, I'm just trying stuff. Okay. If, oops, need equal sign. If this, no. I still don't know how you'd get individual scores. I'm pretty sure I know I could do it with new columns. And they say it doesn't really matter if this is pretty or not, right?
Okay.
I know I can do it this way. I can't figure out a way to do it easier.
So what I'll want you to do rather is maybe you can do the use the average function, right?
Uh-huh.
So when you use the average function, then you go to the original data, then but then you pick from the H5 to wherever it is. I don't know whether that will work.
Yeah, because we need to separate out each of the different shipping types. So this is what I was thinking of doing. Okay, so if we do an if statement, if this, nope. We're gonna lock that equals that, then we get that, and nothing if false. We can do that all the way down. And then, actually, if we link just that part, then we can drag it over, I think. That down. Nope, that didn't. What are we missing here? L4. I'm missing something. Oh, it moved over. Oh, that's right. Okay, so we need to anchor.
Yes.
The G, right? If that's right. Nope. Oh boy, I'm struggling. Nope, we still moved over. Does the anchor come after or before? Maybe.
I think the anchor it has to come, yeah,
Like
before.
that?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
No, 11 to one of the dollar sign before in between the K and the 4. Yeah.
Because we
So
want.
I think it would be better you do it individually rather than you wanted to just drag it across, right?
I know. I was just trying to be cool and do it like they.
Yeah.
It'd be a lot faster if I just did it that way, though. Oh man. Oh no, but I need that one to stay all the way anchored for sure. Okay, 4. I really think that should be right. Let's double check that. Let's see. Nope. Okay, well, we're gonna do it that way then. Let's double check that we got that right. Okay. Oh, my kids are fighting out there.
Oh, sorry.
I'm sorry too. Maylee. 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 Okay, just one second. Oh, you
Okay.
gotta go to your other class.
Yeah, don't worry. You're going to come.
Girl,
I made a really big mess over there.
with what? You did that too. Oh, they're fighting and making messes. Okay. All right. So did you say you don't have your next class?
I have a class coming on maybe in the next 5 minutes. Yeah.
Oh, in 5 minutes. Okay. So I think we know how to do that part. We can figure that one out. Let's look at the next part real fast.
Yes. So the next part, I think what is asking is we need to create is it
Ooh, create a graph.
yes, we'll create a graph to show that will show the connection between the average lead time and the shipping methods.
Why did I do it? Okay. Assuming it's in days. each of the 4 shipping methods. Maybe we need one more number here. I wonder if we need to round these so that their whole day that, but we'll see what it does in the graph. Okay. I wonder how to do this. Okay, so we're gonna.
So okay, so we are going to grab the 2 columns.
Like that?
No, so you grab the shipping method, both this in the shipping method. Grab everything for the shipping method.
Up here?
Yeah.
Okay, because I think this. I mean, we don't need to know how many are shipped.
So the
by
graph, I think the graph should be 1. So you grab the shipping method, including the shipping method at the top with the various figures.
Okay. Do you have to grab it first before you do the? Let's see here.
Yeah, you have to grab it, then you go to insert.
Okay. I'll just see what this. Insert.
Now, I don't think it will work that way. They want us to show side by side the shipping method and the average lead time. So we're gonna grab both together.
So we've got the shipping method on the bottom, and then the lead time in days on the side.
Not like that. Not
Did it say
like
a specific kind of chart?
No. So you go back, click on the shipping method, grab everything, including the shipping method at the top.
Because I think we just put that in the title.
No. When you grab both, you'll be able to show side by side.
Because we don't need this information, right?
We need it. We need it.
The number of items that are shipped by that shipping method, we need that for this graph? Let me find the
Yes.
one. It just says create a graph that shows the average lead time for each of the 4 shipping methods.
Of the 4.
I think this is sufficient for that.
So that is why I'm saying that if we pick the shipping method, you grab everything from the shipping method. You can delete this one for now. You can delete the whole graph for now.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna keep it over here.
Okay. So go start with the shipping method. Click on the shipping method, including the figures. You grab everything. Okay.
I just don't think we need those numbers for this graph.
Then control.
What was that?
Control. Press on the control key. Yeah, then you grab the average lead time, everything. Yes. Then go to insert.
Yeah. I mean, you can do yours that way. I just don't think we don't need the numbers that tell us how many are shipped by that shipping method. The only things we need to show in the graph are each of the different shipping methods, which we've got here, and the average lead time in the chart.
Yeah. Yep.
Because that gives us our
Yes.
both our X and our Y axis in this information here. That's our X axis, that's our Y.
Yeah. I think you are right.
So, what was that last point? I haven't even read that yet. Price limit into an input cell. What's that? Is that going to be like using the greater than? Oops.
Which one?
We're looking at in the world did I just do? Oh my gosh. How do I get out of it? That's not gonna be right. Anyway, I'll fix that later. D. Oh, but you need to go to your other class. But D, I think we use the you may not have got there if you didn't finish the homework, but there's a way that you can use the greater than or the less than symbol when you're doing things like a price limit.
Okay.
So you use your if statement. If X is greater than or equal to Y, then this is what shows up, kind of thing. So you just make another chart. I think you'll just make another column here with that statement, and then you can do the sum or whatever it's looking.
Okay. All right.
So you'll figure that out when you do the homework, because that's right in there. So
yes.
Okay, and you probably got to go. We'll clean this up a little bit, but I think we got pretty good.
Yes.
I'm feeling pretty good about this today, so a little bit better than last week's homework.
Yes.
Well, cool. Okay, good luck with your next class.
All right. So I'll send you the link.
Oh, perfect. That'd be great. I submitted my link last week, but they docked me points for not submitting the link, even though I put it in the comments. So I might have to put it. I don't know where else to put it, but
the link's supposed to be in the comment section.
Yeah, I put it in the comment section. They marked me down for it, so I think they probably just didn't see it or something.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. Good luck. We'll see ya.
All right. Bye.
Bye.